Hi, we're going to talk to you a little bit about our MVP program. It's our preventive maintenance program. Basically what you get with that is you can have a technician look at your system twice a year. You get a year contract, you can do 2 or 3 years. If you do a longer contract, of course, there's savings there. But basically what it does, it has a technician look at your system twice a year. Once more focused on cooling, of course, usually done in the springtime, and one closer to the fall that's going to have a little bit more focus on heating. What that's going to do is they'll take readings of the way the system is running at the time of the inspection and kind of give you a snapshot on how your system is performing at that time, which can help sometimes forecast problems to come. If a motor is overamping or a compressor or a capacitor seems weak, the technician will inform you of that, maybe recommend a replacement or a repair at the time, and all those small investments will extend the life of your equipment rather than waiting for the equipment to fail before doing a repair or a replacement. So we highly recommend you signing up for the MVP program. It'll make your system run more efficiently and it'll extend the life of the system in the long run. If you have any more questions about our MVP program, give us a call at Airteam.